Been so long since I've recorded a long form YouTube video. I'm in this new state, new apartment, starting over in my 30s, and I absolutely love my apartment. I do live with my sister, but I realized I never shared my empty apartment tour. I know it's not empty. You guys can kind of see the decor. You kind of know the decor already on that series if you haven't checked it out. If you are nosy, like me, and you like to see these tours just to see like what kind of apartment they got, then this is the video for you. When you walk in, you see that beautiful kitchen. It's so modern. We have a lot of cabinets, but we only have one drawer, and we also have a wine cooler. I never knew I wanted a wine cooler. I mean, I don't even drink wine, and to be honest, if you check this wine cooler right now, in there is Coronas. I love the island in the middle. Like, it's just so spacious, so nice. And then here is the living room. The living room is such a nice size. I absolutely love how we can definitely fit like a full sectional in there. And I feel like everything in this space is super big, which is great. I mean, no complaints here. And then it does have sliding doors, and you can go right out to the balcony. That isn't as big, but it does have a very nice space. As you can see here, this is the first master bedroom. This is my sister's room, a master suite. So when you walk in, that is the bathroom. Her and I have the same exact bathroom, but she does have more of a tub, I've noticed. So it's all nice, same layout pretty much. We have a linen closet, we have cabinets, super cutesy, very spacious, love that. Then she has two closets. She has a big walk-in closet. As you can see, it's very spacious. You can put in as many shoes, purses, clothes, whatever you have. She has one smaller closet you can see there. That she doesn't even really know what to do with it, but that's just a closet there for like her suitcases. And then here is the bedroom. I feel like on the video it doesn't look as big, but it is big. Like right now she has a king size bed in there, and her desk and her cat area. Like, she has a lot of stuff in there, and it fits very comfortably. And she has two nightstands as well. So now once you come out of that space, you go back into the living room. So that is where my office is, but this is also a dining room area. And then after that, this is like the public bathroom slash my bathroom. I say public because any guests or anything, obviously they would use that bathroom. So this is how my layout looks. Like I said, it's the same concept as hers, but just a little bit smaller. But I do have a linen closet, a nice shower. Keep going straight. There's a very scary closet there. And then the next is the laundry room. Just a simple washer dryer. Here we are in my room. My room is also as big as her room, queen size with nice little nightstands, a makeup vanity, an area for Sophie, my dog, a plant. Like, you guys will see the whole thing comes together, but it is a very spacious room. Absolutely love how big this closet is. It fits everything plus more, which is dangerous because now I feel like I really do have to fill it up with more stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole walkthrough of the empty apartment. That is how it looks. I really do love my apartment, and I can't wait for you guys to see the full thing. Let me know down in the comments if after I post my whole series, if you guys would want a walkthrough of how I decorated everything all in one video. Maybe that's a good idea. I am glad to be back. I'm glad to show this. We're gonna be doing a lot more videos here. I mean, I'm a single gal in South Florida, taking care of myself. I'm down 25 pounds since I've moved. I've really prioritized my health and how I feel. And I hope you guys are ready for this new adventure we're about to go on together. And thank you so much for the love and support always. I absolutely love you guys, and I'm glad to be back with my YouTube family. So I hope to see you next week, and thank you again, guys. Love you guys. Bye.